Yes, always good to see you. Congratulations. Thank you. You can cast me in Black Panther. You need a reporter there. So come in just a little closer.
I just want to say, hey.
Oh
my goodness.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness. Man, hey. You gotta get this.
I love it. I love it. He's hugging Delroy Lindo. Delroy Lindo.
I just want to say,
So the general consensus is okay. One more. It's coming. He's coming. I promise you. He's coming over. He's coming over. What an amazing moment. So the general consensus is that you saved Hollywood. You ushered in. Well, listen, so it's a lot of pressure. But talk to me about some of the new mechanisms that we can put in place in terms of our filmmaking in this AI era. You know, we're talking about AI actors.